Did you know a Marine once spent 56 hours crawling through enemy territory just to take one shot? Carlos Hathcock was the most feared sniper of the Vietnam War. His mission was to kill a North Vietnamese general deep inside hostile ground, so he crawled, inch by inch, through 1,500 meters of open field, surrounded by enemy soldiers. He couldn't eat, couldn't sleep, couldn't make a single sound. Then it happened. An enemy soldier turned and looked directly at him. Both men froze. Hathcock didn't blink. The soldier walked away, never knowing how close he came to dying. Hathcock kept crawling,